Hey guys, welcome to Fix It Felix. My name is Felix and today I'm going to be helping you on this 2008 Nissan Quest. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the back tail light, or if maybe you want to replace the brake light, the stop light, or the signal light, the turn signal light. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's super simple. The whole process is just these two bolts that you have to remove. This one and this one right here. And it's really simple. All you need is a ratchet and a 10mm socket. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, it's a 10mm socket. So it's super simple. You just remove this one and then the top one. Once you remove those two screws, you can just pull these out. There. And from here you can access the turning light, the brake light, I think is this one, and then the reverse light, which is this one right here. And then to put it back is super simple. Just follow the same steps backwards. Right there. And then you put the two screws. So alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, if it helped you, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. And you guys can see my other videos. My name is Fix It Felix. I'm gonna be doing some more videos on how to help you fix a car or change parts. So alright guys, have a good day. Peace.